Hello, welcome to my channel again. Did you see my Saudi Airline showcase? It's cool. I mean Korean Air showcase. Sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. This is not Saudi, guys. It's Korean Air. When I was so little, I rode Korean Air. When I was a baby. This is my biggest memory. I rode a Boeing 747 out of it. Now I'm huge. Now, I met a new friend. I just got a new friend. Isn't it cool if you get a new friend? I'll show you in the landing video. Okay? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. And help me. My iPad's no battery. Please subscribe for me to save my iPad. I love it so much. I use this for recording. Japan Airlines is awesome. Well, I like Japan. But I don't like Imperial Japan. Imperial Japan is very bad. But why both Korea and Japan hate each other? I try to search it on Google, but I don't know the answers. Might be a reason. So South and North Korea hates Japan, huh? I like Japan. Well, I like sushi. Sushi's one of my favorite Japanese food. Sushi's the best. I saw all the cool movies, but I hope I can see Godzilla. Let me exit real quick. At my home. Movies. English. That's not working. Never mind. Great. Wait for it to take off, then I'll end the video. Even I want to save my iPad storage. I did prepare for it. Now I had enough iPad storage. I'm so happy. Well, I don't like North Korea. North Korea is a bad country. I'm so happy I'm going to go to South Korea instead of the North. North is very strict. So I don't like visiting North Korea. It's extremely bad. There are too much executions. If you never heard of it before, I'll tell you this. It's true. North Korea is a bad country. It's very strict. We cannot wear blue jeans. We cannot laugh, drink, or shop. We cannot escape. And much worse, we cannot read the Bible. Stupid, huh? Right, everybody? Let me know in the comments. South Korea? Yeah, South Korea supports USA, but not the North. Are you ready, Dory fans? Let's go for big takeoff for Ocean Atlantic adventure. I support ocean land, my country. I am ready for this flight. Ready? Shake hands. Shake hands. This is the best time I've ever seen in this Korean Air. It's been a while since the last time I rode this airline. Now, I am back. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Are you guys the man? Let's go. I am very happy. Both my fans. Please. I'm not begging, but please, I want 100 subscribers. But I'm not begging you. I just like it. If I got 100 subscribers, then I'll create a video. Gracias, amigos. Are you ready, amigos? With those surroundings of Philippine Airlines. And they're creating planes, with an awesome adventure on the flight. It is the first time I went to the Middle East. Now I'm going to the Korea. Well, I went to Korea when I was a baby for the stop. Now I'm back for the stop, lol. Let's go for the Dory fans. Dory fans are on the loose. Now, prepare for takeoff by subscribing to my channel, or else this big plane will run into you. Just kidding. Ready to subscribe? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Again. 1. I'll try again later. 5. Later. AFK? This is not a gameplay. If it's a gameplay, then it's dumb. That's a big funniest one. I'm realistic ready.
손님 여러분, 우리 비행기는 이제 이륙하겠습니다. 여러분의 안전을 위해 좌석 벨트를 매셨는지 다시 한번 확인해 주시기 바랍니다.
Wait a minute. Sorry, guys. I thought it's a runway. I thought it's a runway, so I just calmed down. Accident. Sorry, amigos. Let's go, browskis. I am ready for the flight. We your biggest handshake, I mean, sorry. It looks like reverse. That made me laugh. Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, try again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. amigos. I'll charge my iPad.